Good morning, everybody. It's June 19, and finally, I'm at the airport. Why? Because I'm going to Goa. That's my home. After 6 months, I was in Goa in January this year. So finally, I'm going back again, and this time I'm going to make a video of my trip just for fun because I haven't made a video of Goa when I was there last time. You can see the airport is pretty empty, so it's still picking up because the lockdown was lifted in Chandigarh. So yeah, there will be a couple of snippets of my trip to Goa, the food that I will be enjoying over there because I've been missing that food, and even the beaches. I hope the beaches are open though because Goa was under a huge impact of COVID plus the storm. So I hope I can move around a little bit, keeping in mind all the guidelines. So I'm going to be boarding my flight now at 11:30. 11:30 is my departure actually. It's right now 8 a.m. I'm pretty early at the airport because of certain restrictions and processes. You have to be here at the airport 3 hours prior because I got a little bit of luggage as well, and checking would take some time. So yeah, I have a connection at Mumbai airport. We'll be landing at Goa at 4:30, and I shall see you guys in Goa. Connection is for 2 hours more, and then I take a flight to Goa. And so the time is right now it's 2 o'clock, and after a 2 hours halt I depart for Goa. Very excited, can't wait to get there. So I have something very important to share, and this is just happened out of my experience. First of all, I was not supposed to depart the flight, the aircraft. It was the same aircraft. So I got off the aircraft, went around the Mumbai airport, came back to the same aircraft. But when I was coming back to the same aircraft, at the checkpoint, they asked me for an RT-PCR test. Whereas if I was in the plane itself, I was not asked for the RT-PCR test in Chandigarh. So luckily I had an RT-PCR test, and it's mandatory to have it while you're departing from Mumbai to Goa. So, but from Chandigarh to Goa, I didn't need it. So it's, the rule has kind of, it's a different rule basically from city to city. And yeah, for those who are traveling after this second wave lockdown, that's the update, and I just learned it. Lucky for me, I had a test, and now I can board the same aircraft again. So yeah.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Sorry, I had to put the camera down because video recording is not allowed in this airport. So once I get home, you guys will get to see how my pets really welcome me, and I'm wearing white pants, so I don't know how that's going to work out. So let's see. Finally outside the airport. Yes, they did check my RT-PCR, but because I'm a Goan, they said it's okay even if you don't have it. But if you're a non-Goan, you need to carry an RT-PCR. And the weather is beautiful. It's raining. Actually it rained, it's not raining. So yeah, it's a little warm, humid. I love it. Just waiting for my parents to come by. I don't know, there's police over here. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to manage my white pants when my dog jumps on me with dirty feet. And there they are. Oh, I guess I'll drive. Huh? काय नाही काय ना गोंयकारांक काय म्हणिना आता काय चाललंय आणि करून आणल्याला किती जाता रे तू गोंयचो आता काय ना रे म्हणाला
Heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I came inside the house without meeting my dogs because I was wearing these white pants and I didn't want to take a risk of ruining the pant because it's raining outside and the feet are dirty. But I came in to just change my mind so I can meet them and see the expression. But in the meanwhile, look who I met. The first member of the pet family I meet. Mewtwo. This Mewtwo, Mewtwo, Mewtwo. Mewtwo. This is Mewtwo. Vicious cat of the family. Mewtwo, Mewtwo. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. I'm going to meet them.
We are heroes tonight.
Keep for boy. Katie.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Okay. Take some. Wait, keep a wait.
The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Finally home. That wraps up my day one. But I'm just gonna eat something nice now. It's chicken with coconut, grated coconut and juice. So it's something unique of Goa. It's called roast chicken. I'm gonna eat that now, and that's gonna wind up the day. And here's Kenobi again. Kenobi. Kenobi is good girl. I have to sit here. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Move. Move, Mewtwo, move. Become a dog. I have to sit and eat here.
One day.
Mewtwo. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I'm sitting on top of it.
From right. I need you to listen.